Welcome to Excellent Care First, where you can learn more about healthy feet. Stepping into Comfort, a podiatrist's guide to common foot problems among the elderly. As we age, our feet often bear the brunt of a lifetime of activity. And it's no secret that the elderly may face a variety of foot-related challenges. To shed light on this important aspect of senior health, let's explore the insights shared by podiatrists regarding the most common foot problems among the elderly. 1. Arthritis and joint pain. The wear and tear on joints over the years can lead to arthritis, causing discomfort and stiffness in the feet. Podiatrists often recommend gentle exercises, proper footwear, and sometimes orthotic inserts to alleviate pain and maintain mobility. 2. Circulation issues. Reduced blood flow can result in cold feet and a higher risk of infections. Podiatrists emphasize the importance of regular movement, proper footwear, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle to improve circulation and minimize complications. 3. Diabetic foot complications. For elderly individuals with diabetes, foot care is crucial. Podiatrists stress the significance of daily foot inspections, proper blood sugar management, and regular checkups to prevent and address diabetic foot complications. 4. Fungal infections. Fungi thrive in warm, moist environments, and aging skin can be more susceptible. Podiatrists advise keeping feet clean and dry. As we wrap up today's segment, stay tuned for the next video where we'll continue. Don't miss out on our clinic's exclusive offer, a 20% service discount valid until the middle of January. Home visit is also available for you. Visit us today. Please show your support by subscribing and following my updates.
Contact us today. Email address info@excellentcare1sd.co.uk. Telephone number 0740 423 8459. Website www.excellentcare1sd.co.uk.
Our clinic locations:
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you the next video.